Oh, geez, the sun's bright. Oh, God. Good afternoon, everyone. We have had another late start to the day, even worse than yesterday. I woke up at 11 this morning. Freaking hell. But, okay, in my defense, I didn't go to bed till about 2. But, yeah, it's definitely not doing me any favors waking up at 11. My God. It is now about 1:30. I've just this minute finished editing yesterday's vlog, so that's currently uploading, and I am yet to start my bedroom. So luckily it's only really the bedroom that needs doing today. Look, my craft room, it's pretty neat. I haven't done anything in there for ages, so yeah, it'll probably take 5 minutes just to quickly vac and mop the floor in there. But today we're doing the bedroom, and I also need to drop Jamie off at work today at about, well, we have to leave at about 4:30. So yeah, we'll go for a couple of hours, drop Jamie off at work, come back and finish the rest if we haven't already finished by then. So it's going to be a matter of just taking down all my Christmas decor, changing my bed sheets, washing all my bed sheets, and yeah, just giving the bedroom a new year clean. So I'm not going to sit and yap for very much longer. There's not really much I need to say except let's get this thing done. So I've got my Roomba going, keeping the rest of the house clean, and I just thought I'd show you the state that the bedroom's in currently. Every time I know I'm going to do a deep clean of my bedroom, I tend to just let it go. And yeah, it tends to get a lot more messier before it gets clean. Let me just shut the door, that's better. So we have a bit of a mess here to tidy up. My vacuum, we've got laundry here that needs to go out. The bed needs to be stripped and made. Christmas needs to be taken down. Shoes need to be put away. More Christmas stuff. Cups and glasses. That's what I'm not wearing today, my glasses. More dirty laundry. My cleaning caddy plus a heap of products that need putting away. Bath is not too bad. The rest of it's not too bad. Got to get new towels on there because they're a bit dirty. So yeah, that's the state of the bedroom currently. And I'm going to just start on the toilet. Like, I'll put the toilet cleaner in and let that sit and disinfect and do its thing while I clean the rest of the bathroom first, and then we'll move on into the bedroom. So let's get started.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hear you when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. thinking I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs. I'm scared that I'm running out of time, trying to tell myself I'm fine. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. You can plan it, I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause what matters every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life. Don't care if I'm running out of time. I don't wanna waste tonight. I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no. Not gonna do this all the time. Not gonna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I'm so tired. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah.
I freaking did it, guys. I freaking did it. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I feel so good, and you have no idea how much I am looking forward to a nice cool shower before bed tonight. And then to get into a nice, fresh, clean bed, it's gonna feel amazing. So the wool, horse going by. It's gonna feel amazing. So my whole freaking room is done. I probably can't show you in the bathroom because the floor is still completely wet. I like to put a heap of water on the floor because I find it gets the grout a lot cleaner. Like you can actually scrub between the grout when the floor's really, really wet. So yeah, I tend to wet the floor quite a bit and then try and mop up as much as I can. The bathroom is all beautiful and clean, ready for the new year. My little makeup table is all clean and ready to go. My little shelves above. Oh, it's such a beautiful day today. It's so cool. There's Jessie. Creeper. creepy, creepy child. And yes, all the Christmas decor is down, all my regular decor is back. We've gone with the blue for now, and I just feel so great. I am going to have the most amazing, relaxing day tomorrow. You have got no idea. So wardrobe's all nice and clean. This doesn't actually get very untidy, to be honest. I don't think it's ever really untidy. Yeah, I'll just put the clothes on the hangers. It's pretty straightforward. But yes, bedroom is done. Oh my God. And craft room, like I said, I didn't even dust it, guys. I just mopped the floor in here. It didn't need much. I've put Jamie's old computer chair in here for now. I'm going to give that a go next year when I start back at work. See if it's any better than the dining chairs I've been on. And if not, I think I'm going to invest and buy myself a better computer chair, something a bit more comfortable anyway. So craft room is all spick and span anyway, ready to go. All my journals are there piled up, ready to start the new year. I've got my planner on my desk next to my computer. So yes, and I am done. You have no idea how good it feels. I mean, I feel like I've been hit by a truck, but my inside and my mind is just feeling so free and so calm. It's just amazing. Oh my gosh. And at least now that I know everything's done, I will definitely be able to enjoy tomorrow a lot more. Now, I think I wasn't gonna vlog tomorrow because I was just gonna have a relaxing day, but I think I will vlog because, I mean, it's not often I go out. I think I will vlog. I'll have to see. I'll see how we go. I really want to, because at the end of the day, it's not often that I actually leave the house. So to show you guys some new sights in and around where I live would probably be nice for you. But yeah, I'll see. Yeah, I'll try, but I might not actually. Yeah, no, I will. I don't know. I'm not going to say I'm not. I'm not going to say never, because I think I might. And then after tomorrow, yeah, I think I might. And then after tomorrow, I think then I will take my break. I'll take a few days leave. Even though if we do go to the beach or something, I might even vlog that and just do like, rather than do like me talking throughout any of it, I might just do like a little highlights reel or something. We'll see. Because I'm actually really enjoying the daily vlogging. Like, I mean, it's tiring, it's time consuming, and I'm not getting a lot done, and I probably won't be able to keep it up in the new year, especially when I start back at work. But I do enjoy giving you guys new content and just having new content go on my channel. It's doing my channel it's doing my channel good as well, because with me being more regular, I think it's promoting my videos a bit more, because the views seem to be a little bit higher than normal. So yeah, I do want to try and keep it up a little bit more regular in the new year, maybe 2 to 3 videos a week, something like that. Now in the new year, I'm really got to try and start focusing on myself, getting myself fit and healthy, because yeah, I think the reason I'm struggling so much to get all of this stuff done and why it hits me like a truck is because I'm carrying about 60 kilos too much. And yeah, I've really got to get rid of some of it. So lawn mowing again, can you believe it? So yeah, there'll probably be a few vlogs in like around, you know, getting fit, getting healthy, healthier eating, maybe intermittent fasting and all of that. Because yeah, I can't keep putting it off. I've put it off all my life now, and you know, there's not really many more excuses I can use. The whole house is pretty much done. All the rooms are done. decorated. You know, any other decor projects I do can just be a leisure thing. It's not like, oh, it needs to be done to get this room finished. Everything's finished. So I think next year's about time to start focusing on myself and getting myself DIY'd, give myself a DIY makeover. So yeah, if you're interested in following me along, there'll probably be quite a bit of that next year. What else? I want to do a lot more planner videos next year as well. Well, not a lot more, but maybe once a month, do like a planner update, something like that, planner or journal update, and see what I'm doing. So yeah, there'll be plenty of variety next year. I still do have a few DIY videos up my sleeve. There's still a lot of stuff from Mike's mum's that we need to get rid of, so there'll be a lot of decluttering as well. We really need to give our garage a full declutter and makeover, but before we even do that, we've got to try and get rid of some of the furniture and stuff that's stored in there at the moment. So yeah, I think I'm going to sign off here. Take care, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.